Hello guys, in this video I am gonna show you how to make Valorant flow edit in After Effects using Twixtor plugin. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. For this tutorial, I am going to use this song. I have already marked the beats using the asterisk button on the keyboard. Now add the clip to the composition and set the clip according to the beats. Use Shift+D to cut the clips. Now go to Effects and Preset and search for Twixtor Pro and apply it on the clip. And follow my settings. Now add a keyframe on the first frame of the clip. Press U on the keyboard to show the keyframes. You can use Shift Page Up and Shift Page Down to move 10 frames forward and backwards. Now move 10 frames forward and add another keyframe. Add a keyframe in the last frame of the clip. Move 10 frames backward and add a keyframe. Follow the steps very carefully. Now select the keyframes. Press F9 to ease the keyframes, and draw the graph like this. Now, in the starting, apply CC wide time and copy my setting. Also add tint effect to the clip. Now take a new adjustment layer by pressing Ctrl-Alt-Y. Apply S-Flicker on the adjustment layer and copy my settings. After adding some effects, the output will look like this. Thanks for watching. If you find it useful, smash that subscribe button. Bye bye guys.